everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have with me Prachi. So y'all have seen her in the very first vlog that I had posted, that was at her place, and thank you for showing so much love on the very first vlog. Today's video is going to be about a food challenge and I'm very excited for that because because we are going to try out untried food for 24 hours. So it's like a mixture of breakfast, then lunch, snacks and dinner meal, just to try the things that we haven't tried yet. So stay tuned, and having said all of that, I think we should get started for today's video. So for the breakfast we have decided to have pancakes and we have made it by ourselves, and
So please don't judge their look.
so I think they are pretty nice, not that bad. Just
Okay, cheers. घेतलं बरं.
but I would add that they does taste like आमचे पोळे,
हे हो,
गोड पोळे. ना
पण
but
पोळ्यात कशा लागतात?
गोड पोळे घ्यायला लागले. That was our breakfast and I was actually very excited.
Yes, I thought की like असे तरी वेगळे लागतात.
Yeah, something
But no,
different.
It's same as गोवन पोळे.
Gold boy. Yeah, it was okay. It doesn't felt like we haven't tried it because obviously we have tried it. So anyways, that was our breakfast, and I think now we'll be prepping for the lunch. Like as in prepping, we are not making like properly from scratch.
No.
We'll see you at the lunchtime. So for the lunch, we have prepared some ramen, and I personally never had ramen.
Yes, me too.
I'd seen a lot of videos, but on the internet,
Yes,
of
on
course.
YouTube.
Yes, we decided to try ramen together.
It's kimchi flavor.
It's kimchi flavor. So
It's spicy, but too good. Really
it's
good.
spicy, but I think
I think
that there's a burst of flavors. I think
it's too good. This is Nissin's
Yeah.
kimchi flavor, right?
we'll link everything in the description. It's spicy, but
Spicy.
So you say, what do you feel about the?
So the ramen was really good. The moment you tasted
Yeah.
all the flavors, you can literally feel.
Literally, yeah.
Literally feel. I can still feel it on my lips.
But it's spicy, huh?
It's too spicy.
It's too spicy. But it's like you want to eat more and more of it.
despite of the spice.
Yeah,
But
despite
because
of
of the
the-
spice, I think. Not but I should. You
So
should.
that's it for the
The
lunch. Now we'll prep for some
Snacks.
snacks.
Evening snacks.
Yeah, and we'll chit chat in between.
Sure.
And then we'll catch you up in the evening for snack break. So it's evening and we had gone to the market to shop for some snacks, and along with that we also had to buy some things for our dinner prep. So we came back and now it's time for some snacks. I got these two snacks. Do you want to tell them?
Yeah, this is Wingreen Farm naan chips. I got it for the naan.
And this one is Tastilos Nacho Chips. I'm sorry if we are pronouncing the brand names wrong. So this one is the flavor smoky barbecue,
And this
and
one is butter garlic.
yeah, butter garlic. I don't know, I have high hopes from this one.
Butter pistachio. So cheesy. No?
I'm not getting the smoky barbecue flavor.
Normal nachos.
Yeah,
Call it barbecue.
it's too plain, I feel. We are sorry if you all are hearing the drizzling sound of the rain right now. Been raining since morning. So yeah, I don't find this very appealing. It's very plain. So far, I think only our lunch was
good.
pretty good.
Spicy, but
Spicy. It was spicy, but it had a lot of flavors.
the aftertaste was
Yeah.
too good.
Yeah.
Second
Try
chips.
the second.
Please
Yeah.
be good.
Same thing I was about to say. Please don't disappoint us. Quite interesting shape.
Yes, it is naan, deep fried.
Let's try. Please be good.
Okay, at least garlic तो नहीं लगता.
Yeah, you can at least taste
The
the
flavor.
name that's been written there.
Yes.
But these also taste like something that I've eaten before.
Yes.
Like some sort of biscuit.
Cheese biscuit.
Yeah.
Those small cheeselings.
Cheeselings.
Same.
Same.
Cheeselings.
Wow.
We are discovering cheeselings today.
No. Why this video is turning out to be dupes of the food? No?
डुप्लीकेट माल है.
नाम बदल दिया है, ब्रांडिंग बदल दी है.
सारा पैकेज बदल के दिया है हमको. Disappoint number 3.
Now that you have said it, that they taste like cheeselings.
Same.
I cannot ignore that.
उधर पोळ्याचे तसेच चालले आमचे.
The moment we said no, like they taste like pore,
It started tasting like.
it started more tasting like pore. We'll now prep for the dinner. I think this whole day has been like that only. We are eating one thing and then we are prepping for the other thing.
Preparing.
Yeah, eating, preparing.
These videos are like that only. Unless you
Yeah,
order.
but it's
something.
fun. But it's fun. And then we'll see you during the dinner time. So finally,
काफी मेहनत के बाद.
काफी मेहनत के बाद,
It's dinner time.
it's dinner time and we have prepared avocado toast.
Something light for the dinner.
Yes, and the drink.
Yeah.
The drink.
And this
What
new
is-
flavor
yeah, it's from-
Paperboat.
Yeah.
It's basil, sabja seeds, pomegranate flavor.
Actually, very excited to try out this one because I love their pomegranate, the
Oh, yeah.
original
Normal
one.
one.
Yeah, normal one. It tastes really nice. So I've had avocado shake before.
I have never
Um,
had avocado before.
Yeah. So I think slowly I have acquired the taste of the avocado shake. But I'm really excited to try this one, avocado toast. So I think we should just start eating because
Yes.
literally very hungry.
Hmm. Good.
Nice.
अच्छा है.
Oregano is making
It
everything.
tastes better.
Yeah, it tastes better with the
Mm.
oregano.
Avocado has no taste. It's just bread.
I think we'll just enjoy the dinner with some chit chat, some gossips. Yeah.
मुकाबले for sure.
I think avocado toast has been the hero of the video. I mean, after the lunch ramen, I think definitely avocado
is-
tops the list. No?
I think ramen. मला ramen आवडले.
Now we are going to try the drink. I hope this would be good.
Yeah.
Please.
Please.
Will be.
Okay. बाटी लो टेस्ट की लगेगा.
I like it. Texture of the seeds and everything. Syrupy. Syrupy texture.
Syrup.
Yeah. But apart from that, I think
It's good.
it's good. Yeah. I think rating everything that we had would be a great idea.
Yes.
So let's just do that.
I think pancakes I'd give 2 out of 5 because they poured egg लगता है.
Yeah, I mean they were not bad, but it was nothing
Something-
new to
yeah,
us.
something
So
we had already had.
yeah, so even I'll give it a 2. Ramen,
Lunch.
kimchi flavor. I think it was 4.5 for me.
I think it was 5.
We had snacks, which was a
Ah.
big disappointment. A big
No,
disappointment.
we are in there.
Both the snacks combined together, even I would say that it's a 1.
Yeah, 1.
The dinner, I think we have already spoken about it. How good it was.
too good.
Yeah, so
I'll give it a 4.5.
it's a 5 on 5 from me. The drink would be a little 4 because I
4.
think it is
Yeah,
too
4.
syrupy, a little bit. So that's it for today, guys. With that, we have come to an end to this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I enjoyed the whole food challenge. What about you?
Actually, the parts while preparing the dishes.
And there's so much that you all haven't
There are
seen.
so many blunders in between.
Yeah.
The dishes was
Yeah.
much fun.
Choosing and also like making them together.
Yes.
Yeah, we spent a lot of good time. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please, the link is in the description box below.
Yes.
And please
Follow.
follow and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. And I'll see you soon in my next one, very, very soon. Until then,
Bye.
bye.